So we started talking about supply and demand, and let's look at how you determine demand on eBay. We're going to continue using this insanity workout as our kind of generic example throughout this series. If you saw the listing hacks course on Udemy, then you know that we use this quite a bit in that course. We're going to continue using this in this course. So what you do is you type in insanity workout into the eBay search engine, right? Go ahead and click the search button, and once that comes up, what you want to do is be looking over here on the left side and scroll down to where it says completed listings. What you're going to tell eBay is to only show completed listings, so you want to click on that. And by the way, you don't want to click on sold listings because that will only show you the listings that actually sold. We really want completed listings because completed listings is going to show us both items that sold and items that did not sell. And that's going to help us determine demand. So go ahead and click on completed listings. And you'll begin to see, as you scroll down, you'll begin to see prices in green and prices in red. When the prices are in red, that means the item did not sell at that price. When the prices are in green, that means the item sold at that price. So if you're doing competitive research and you're kind of researching the pricing on these things, this is a good way to do it. You're seeing what these items actually sold for recently. You're seeing what the items did not sell for, and that helps you to understand the pricing. However, it can also help you understand the demand for this item. So let's see what happens as we scroll down. We begin to see a couple more red prices. Okay. Now, assuming you're comparing apples to apples, you're going to start to see a trend, and you're going to see either a large percentage of red pricing or a large percentage of green pricing, or equal, right? So the more green prices you see, and assuming your search is pretty dialed in, the more green prices you see, the more demand, generally speaking, that signifies. And the more red prices you see, the less demand, generally speaking, that signifies. Now, it's not a scientific way to determine demand, but it's a pretty good way to, in a nutshell, just get a feel for a product and an item based on how many items went unsold in red and how many items went sold in green. So just to summarize, obviously the more red prices you see, the less demand there is for that item. The more green prices, the more demand there is for that item. If you want really detailed information, you should check out a software tool called Terapeak. They have a 7-day free trial, and after that it's $29.95 a month. And Terapeak gives you just the most incredible, granular, detailed information about supply, demand, listings, number of listings, keywords, all kinds of things. It's far more detailed than I've ever needed, but it is pretty serious. It's a serious tool, and it's going to really help you as you go into some of these deal-getting hacks. So I would say check it out at least for the 7-day free trial and see what you think. And then if you want to continue it, you can continue it at $29.95.